Hi class, this lab is going to give us a picture representation of the t-distribution. So you're going to be submitting two pictures. Let me walk you through the first one. So please open this link, which is going to take you here. And what you're looking at is the dotted line is the standard normal distribution. And then the second one, or the orange graph, is your t-distribution. Now, the t-distribution happens to be it happens to be, we use it in the confidence intervals, and it's this t-value when the values of sigma are not given. And these t-values are actually coming from here. And then for the lab, all they want us to do is to extend the critical values to 3 and then take a picture of that. So you're going to be submitting your first picture, just extending the critical values to 3. And as you can see, the actual t-distribution, it's very similar to the bell shape or the normal distribution. It's an estimator that we technically use in this formula here. So this t-value, when sigma is not given, it's coming from this actual curve. So take a picture and submit your first submission, which is just what you see on the screen. The second picture, it's going to be using Desmos, and once you open that link, it's going to take you to this site. Now, both the normal distribution and the t-distribution are bell-shaped curves, but observe what happens when you increase the value of n to a large value. And this is something that is stated on the textbook, and I might have mentioned on the lecture. So as you increase the value of n, what you're going to see is that your t-distribution, in fact, becomes your normal distribution. So the idea here is that as you get more and more samples, your actual your t values are approximating the z-scores from the standard normal distribution, since the basic idea is that you're estimating some sort of a bell-shaped curve using samples. So your second picture is just going to be what you see on the screen. You're modifying n to the largest. In this case, it doesn't allow you to 100, but it'll be like the largest value that you see there. So that would be your second picture.